Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Navarathina Kuruma. Nava means 9. So we are going to use 9 ingredients to make this kuruma. This goes well with idiyappam, idly, dosa varieties, chapati. Now come, let's go into the video and see how to make Navarathina Kuruma in an easy way. Capsicum, cauliflower, beans, carrot, potato, green peas, 1 piece of pineapple circle shape, 1/4 of pomegranate, ghee, cooking oil, salt, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, few cashew nut, raisins, fennel seeds, 1 bowl of coconut, green chilli, cashew nut. So in a mixie jar I am adding coconut, green chillies, cashew and fennel seeds. Add little water and grind it as a paste. On the stove, heat the kadai. Add cardamom, clove, cinnamon. Allow it to splutter. Then slowly add one by one vegetable. First vegetable carrot, second one potato, third vegetable beans, fourth one capsicum. Either you can add paneer also instead of capsicum. Green peas, fifth one. Sixth is cauliflower. So sort all this vegetable nicely. Close it with a lid for some time till it gets cooked. So now after 5 minutes, add just very less salt for vegetable alone. Again close it with the lid for 5 minutes. So now the vegetables are cooked nicely. Now add the coconut paste which we have grinded. Mix it. Wash the mixie and add the water. Let it get cooked for 5 minutes. Already the vegetables are cooked, so it won't take much time. Add salt. Now the kuruma is ready. We can garnish. See the consistency, it should be like this. So now in a seasoning ladle, add 30 ml of ghee. Add cashew nut. Sort it well till it turns to golden brown. Then add raisins also. Mix it well till it comes like a balloon. The 7th one is cashew and raisins. Now add the cooked cashew and raisins. 8th one is pineapple. Add chopped pineapples. and sprinkle pomegranate on the top. Now Navarathina Kuruma is ready. You have to off the stove and then add the fruits and nuts. The last ninth ingredient is pomegranate. Hope you enjoyed the Navarathina Kuruma video. Like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.